Hey there, it's Jenny, and I have something really fun and exciting to share with you. There is a new product from the Happy Planner that has just been announced, and it's going to release on July 15th. And I cannot wait to dive into it with you. So in just a second, we're going to open up this box and check out the brand new Happy Life Folio, but a tiny minute of storytelling before we dive right into the Happy Life Folio. So you are probably fairly newish here, or maybe you haven't been around for a long time, but I have been in the memory keeping and journaling space online for a very long time. That's right. I was actually on the very first Happy Planner squad, and actually I was on the team before the actual launch of the Happy Planner as well. I went to the 2015, yes, 11 years ago, trade show, the Craft and Hobby Association, and I saw the brand new Happy Planners for the first time at that trade show, and I was hooked from the very first time I saw that planner. I got my first Happy Planner in like May of 2015, and I have used a Happy Planner ever since. I don't use them in the exact same way I did when they first came out. I use a big Happy Planner as a memory journal, memory planner, and I also use Happy Notes notebooks for a lot of different purposes in my life. And so yeah, I am really excited to be sharing with you the brand new Happy Life Folio. So let's go ahead and take a look at the folio. Okay, so the folio comes in this nice sturdy box, which I actually think I'm going to start adding my junk journaling items to this box. And then obviously it is wrapped up in nice tissue paper with the sticker that you can bet will go in my junk journal as well. Okay. So there are 3 different colors of the folio. I received this beige / taupe. I'm going to call it taupe. I really like it. And it has the neon elastic band around the center. I love this. It's a tri-fold notebook cover, and I am so excited to share a few different things about it that I think is really great. So let's go ahead and open it up. So you open it up and there's a couple of different flaps, and this is not necessarily a new concept. It's definitely one that has been in the space for a while and has been very popular. Plan a happy life, but that's actually what I really like about it, because I like that they have made some things that are very wonderful for this space, and I think it's going to work really, really well for Happy Planner people, and then also all kinds of other journaling folks as well. I like how supple and soft this vegan leather is. And I also love that it comes with 4 elastics. So you can see here we have a insert that is on our first elastic. And what do I mean by elastics? So these elastic bands that are attached through these holes on the spine, and then there are grommets as well that make them reinforce the holes so that they won't tear. And there are 4 of these elastics included. So you see we have this large plastic. This side is like a document holder, and inside the document holder there are 4 sheets of stickers. They're all nice and neutral. This one is tabs in case you can't see that. And then we have a bunch of date stickers and then some reminder type stickers as well. Then this is a zipper pocket. It flew off, the little zipper part flew off when I opened this up. It's on the floor, I see it, but I'm not going to do it. So this is a zipper pocket that you can just zip and unzip and put things in the pocket. Then we have a nice, super sturdy folder as well, and it has a slight design. It's nothing wild and crazy. It's absolutely something you're going to be able to take. This folder also, this is another elastic band, so you can slide things in and out of there as well. Okay, now there are 2 notebooks included. The first one is, you can see here, it says planner. Now we open it up and the front page looks exactly like what we're used to with a Happy Planner. And then you open it and we have an undated monthly calendar. And it's just a really great size. This is an A5 size notebook and it is really usable. Then over here, there is a to-do list and a little bit of room for intention and focus, and then a blank page. We have another blank page, and then we have our currently page: reading, loving, planning, going, creating, feeling, listening, and dreaming. And then also some room for, you know, whatever you want to notate on this currently page. Then we get into the next month's monthly page. And so on and so forth. And it's a really great format, honestly, because maybe you don't need like 5 million pages. Maybe you need this for, you know, something that you want to use for your purposes, and like I said, you don't need a ton. Then at the end there are a couple of blank grid pages. So you see here's the last monthly currently, and then we have some sheets of blank note paper. Okay, so then our second notebook is titled Journal, and then it's just got a nice polka dot. And the thing I forgot to mention in this one is that this one also has an elastic here, and then this journal does as well. So this is just an A5 notebook. It is sewn. I think that's important to note because it is not assembled with staples. It's a nice sturdy notebook that is full of dot grid paper, and I like this paper. It's got a little bit of tooth to it, which I like, and I think that it is very satisfying to write on. So now these sticker sheets are going to be great for these pages in this planner. Obviously you can use them however you'd like, but what I'll say about that is that we have the monthly stickers, and then we have some icon stickers. Then we have some bullet point stickers, and I assume these are a little bit transparent. Then we have our tabs and a couple of blank tabs as well, so if you'd like to use those in maybe the journal. And then we have our date stickers here, and then those headers as well. So you can definitely use these with that undated planner. Okay, so then we saw the journal also has its own elastic, so that's where we have 4 of the elastics. And it is just, you can see here, it's just definitely got, really honestly, a lot of paper. I am literally like, I have like 6 ideas of how to use this, and I'm really excited to give them a try and see how I'm going to use them. Now I'm going to show you the pen loop as well. You can see there is an attached elastic pen loop right here. And after I slide these back in this little document folder, which obviously you wouldn't have to use this for that. You could obviously slide in a piece of paper, like pattern paper, or a big photo, or, you know, however you'd like to dress this all up. But okay, so you can see here, and this is how the band is attached, this band that holds it all together right here. Okay, so then we have this elastic loop. I'm going to put a nice wide fountain pen in. This is my current favorite fountain pen, and it's a little bit wider than the body of it. It's a little wider, and I'm going to slide it right on this elastic, and it has no problems fitting. There's plenty of room right there, and then we can close it all up with my pen, and there's still plenty of room. Okay, so now if you are an A5 planner user, maybe a bound book, say maybe like a Hobonichi Cousin or a Sterling Ink or a Estelle or something like that, you might be wondering, okay, I wonder if that fits in this notebook. Well, let's take a look. I'm going to pull out my Hobonichi Cousin. You can see right there how thick that is. And I'm going to place it on this elastic, and then we'll fold it up and we'll see how it looks. Okay, so now you can see how the Hobonichi totally fits in this folio. And for the same reason that I showed you already, I really like it because this vegan leather is just really nice and flexible, and it really has I like the way that feels. It's, you know, sort of a squishier feeling than maybe some of the more sturdy covers, and I like that. I like the way that it molds around my notebooks. All right, so one more notebook I wanted to share with you in here because I know they're very popular and I use one myself, is a Leuchtturm notebook. I currently use mine in this leather Paper Republic cover. And I'm going to show you, mine is a soft cover. I know some people use hardcover. I really like the soft cover myself. And I'm going to show you how this fits in here also. But I'm going to show you with one of the planners, or with the planner and this as the notebook, because I'm already using this one, right? Like, I don't want to start another notebook right away. So I want to know, okay, while I finish this one up, can I use it with this system? And this is the planner, and again, there's that stitching that I showed you already. Okay, so I've got the planner, I've got my Leuchtturm notebook, and then I've got the folder and the clear zipper pocket and the document pocket and my fountain pen. So let's close that up. And you can see right there, everything fits nicely. And again, I know a A5 notebook with a hardcover is going to take up a little bit more room, which is fantastic. There is definitely still room in here for that. So this is such a great little notebook. I will definitely be using this. I really, really like this vegan leather cover, and I like the pop of the band. And I'm really excited to see more of the other colors online and try out using this in my own system. If you have any questions, comments, let me know below. I will do my best to answer them for you. So go ahead and make it a great day.